In a pan, heat olive oil over medium heat. Add coriander seeds, cumin seeds, and black pepper and saute the mixture very well. Add dried red chilies, chopped onions, and garlic. Saute the mixture until the onions turn whitish. Reduce the heat to low and add freshly grated coconut. Roast it for 1 to 2 minutes. Finally, add poppy seeds and a few curry leaves. Remove this mixture from the heat and let it cool. Once the spice mixture has cooled down, transfer it to a blender and grind it into a smooth paste. In a separate vessel or deep pan, heat the olive oil over medium heat. Add salt and turmeric powder to the oil. Throw in a few curry leaves to infuse flavor. Add the chicken pieces and saute until the meat turns slightly whitish. Now pour the ground spice paste into the chicken. Add a little bit of water as well. Add a bit of more salt to taste. Close the lid and let the chicken cook with the spice mixture for about 15 to 20 minutes or until the chicken is fully cooked. Once it is almost cooked, pour the coconut milk. In a separate small pan, heat a little oil, add finely chopped onions and garam masala. Saute until the onions become golden and the garam masala releases its aroma. Mix the tempered spices into the chicken curry. Now you can enjoy it with steamed rice, naan or your favorite bread.